Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Jen. I suffered an accident and now my voice is much deeper. I do planner things, yeah.
Hey everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest today. We are visited by my husband Shane.
Hello.
I asked over on my Instagram if you guys had any questions for him. This is kind of inspired by Rachel from Gathered Plans. She did her fiance series over Christmas, and I thought that was really fun, and I wanted to have my husband come on and answer some questions. So I asked over on Instagram for you guys to give some questions for him to do my voiceover with, and y'all delivered. So we're gonna ask these questions and see what his answers are. Are you ready, sir?
I think so.
Okay, so I'm gonna read them off.
I got a sneeze coming.
Oh gosh.
But it's not here yet.
If it comes, that's just fine. Okay, so the first question is from Alyssa Joyce Plans.
Okay.
And she says, if you had to pick one stationery item, what would it be and why?
Stationary item?
Yeah.
What would it be and why?
Yeah, what would it be and why?
Well, for me, it's a little bit different as far as a stationary item goes, because for some people, it's not a stationary item, but for me, it is.
Okay.
Most of the time, and that's a microphone on a stand.
A microphone on it. I think they mean just like for like pens or paper or stickers or markers.
No, they asked me.
Okay. All right.
Is this not what we're doing?
You know, if that's, I mean, it's stationary, it doesn't move.
What station? Yeah. What?
Stationary is like stickers, pens.
Nope, never would have got that.
There's washi tape.
That's not what stationary items are. Stationary items are things that don't move. That's
Okay, all right. Should we give him a pass on that one?
probably not.
Okay, we'll move on to the next one.
Okay.
Okay. This next question is from me. Okay. Do you ever watch your wife's videos?
I have watched your videos before. Most of the time, I'm just super confused.
You're just super.
Obviously, I don't know what stationary items are. So.
So you actually have watched my videos?
I've seen a couple of your videos.
You've like.
I've watched them.
Unbeknownst to me, you've turned on my.
Turn them on.
And you've watched them.
Yeah.
And you listen to them.
Mm-hmm. It was a lot when you were first starting out.
Okay. You were upping my views, weren't you?
I'm supportive.
Okay. Thank you, babe.
Yeah. Our cat is panting.
Okay. All right.
Continue.
This next question is from Mama Boodle.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. She says, how do you feel about all the money she spends on stickers?
You know, I just try to block that out. I don't think about it. You know, because that means that I have more of a way that I can get into buying more guitar stuff.
I think in terms of like stickers over musical things.
Oh, I know. That's why, you know,
you don't say anything.
I don't complain.
He's supportive, guys. He knows stickers ain't cheap.
It's just a good trade-off, really.
That's true.
You know, I need strings. I can buy them whenever I want. So.
No one complains.
Nope.
Okay. This next question is one that I came up with. Does having a spouse who plans help you stay organized?
Yes. And no, I guess.
What's the no part?
The no part is I don't really know when you film.
I don't.
You just kind of randomly do it.
I don't film. It's because I film memory spreads. I plan like functionally every. As
far as things that happen every day, it's great.
Yes.
But the schedule at home when it comes to your filming, I don't understand it. I don't get it. So half the time if I look around and you're missing, I go, oh, she's probably filming. So.
But a lot of the time I'm not filming. I'm actually planning.
Or editing. Or
well, I can do that next to you.
Overs and stuff. Yeah, I know. You do it next to me. You miss the shows that we watch.
Okay.
Oh, she wants to move on.
Yeah, we're moving on. Okay, this next question is from Planner Girl Meek. How do you feel about all the Happy Mail packages?
Hello, Planner Girl Meek. Happy Mail. That's just the stickers, right?
Yeah.
It's just stickers.
It's just stickers.
It's not anything else. It's not like some package I don't know that you're getting.
No,
Like Chewy. Like we're subscribed to something that I don't know about.
it's literally just stickers or
Okay,
or
so it's just
anything
stickers.
or anything planner related, like a new planner or something.
So is that stationary stuff?
That is stationary.
Man, I'm learning. Look, I'm picking it up. I got the lingo down.
How do you
How
feel?
do I feel about it?
How do you feel about it?
Like I said, my previous answer, I get to buy all the musical stuff that I want within reason and a discussion, but yeah, I don't mind
Keep in
them.
mind, musical stuff and equipment is way more expensive than stickers.
I know, but you get like 5 sticker packs and it kind of pays for itself, right? Depending on what I get.
I mean, it depends, I guess. We'll just, I don't know, we'll go over
I
it.
love it. How about that? I'm just going to give you a blanket answer and say I love it. Because that means that, yeah, it's for selfish purposes. But yeah.
Well, then it also makes me happy, right? Like, you
That's
enjoy the
true.
fact that it
That's
makes me
true.
happy.
That's another big old plus.
You get half a point on that one because I gave you that answer.
You didn't.
Okay. All right, this one. Okay, so Tay asked several questions.
Okay, Tay, hit me with it.
Okay, so she says, this was her first one, and I'm going to ask it anyway. She said it was sarcastic, but I'm asking it anyways.
Is that recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Okay.
Okay, she says, please explain in detail the benefits of vertical versus horizontal planning.
Look, Tay, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be straight up with you, but I will try and I'll try and figure it out. Okay.
Do you want a hint?
No.
Okay.
Not right off the bat.
Okay.
Maybe if I just sound like a total idiot. Maybe. I have a feeling it has something to do with the amount of space in room on a page. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I'm assuming that you can do more like washy stuff sideways as opposed to up and down, maybe?
So it's
I don't know.
It's more just the layout of the planner.
That's my answer. That's exactly what I said.
Okay.
If you didn't get that from what
Tay,
I
I'm
said.
gonna let you vote and see what you think his answer is. Is that detail enough?
It's detail enough.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Gotta be.
So our next question is,
All right, Tay, hit me with another one.
what do you think of your wife's hobby?
I think it's great. I do think it's cool. Makes you happy. It keeps us organized. It's relatively low cost.
Relatively.
And it's a very good creative outlet. I mean, I never knew anything about it until she started her channel, and she starts talking to me about all her friends that she has now met and she enjoys. So I think it's great. It's definitely a great community as well, from what I've heard and what I've seen. I'm super happy that she's found this. So yeah, I think it's great.
He approves, guys. That means I can go out and buy more stickers.
Yep, it's gonna be a running theme.
Okay, and her last question is, if you made a sticker kit, what colors would you choose?
Oh, red, black, easy. Red and black. It's like some of my favorites.
He loves red and black. Anything, like, when we're clothes shopping, anything red and black and, like, rock and roll themed.
Though I do, okay, you did one, I think, in the fall?
Yes, that was...
It was like a red plaid, almost like a lumberjack sort of thing.
Yeah, that was...
I really liked that one.
Oh, gosh, hold on. There's a name, Buffalo Plaid. It's called Buffalo Plaid.
Great. I would have never guessed that. But yeah. I liked that. That was pretty cool. I'm into that kind of, like, I've got a beard, so I'm into that kind of rustic, like, gristly man stuff.
You have a Buffalo Plaid button-down that you enjoy wearing all the time.
It's a little small for me now.
We need to get you a new one then.
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Anyways, so yeah, that's my answer.
So it would be red and black, Buffalo Plaid, and maybe with some skulls thrown in there.
And some like Sasquatch and aliens and cool stuff like that.
It would, I'm going to have you design a sticker kit just so I can use it and say this is made by my husband.
I'll do it. Yeah, sure.
All right. If you had a planner, would you use stickers or just a pen?
Well, okay, so I've been around my wife who uses stickers, and if I tried to make a planner or use one, I would always feel inferior. So I'd have to use stickers. I'd have to learn how to do it good.
Are you saying that because you're competitive, or are you saying
No, it's not that. It's just I'm kind of more of a perfectionist. So I would know it could be better if I was just using a pen.
You're like a closet like planner behind my back, and you actually have beautiful spreads that I don't know about.
No. That would be good. That's something to just try out, but no.
So you're saying you would want to use stickers?
Yes, that would be the choice.
Okay, so he would choose stickers over a pen and a highlighter.
I don't see what I said that's unclear about that. Yeah.
Okay.
You had to reiterate that.
Letting the people know.
Yeah, I'd choose stickers.
Okay. All right. Last question.
Is it?
Can you name one sticker shop without your wife's help?
Yeah. Boodlesdoodlesdesign.
She no longer.
Yeah, she does it if you ask.
That's okay. No. An Etsy shop that is not, or a sticker shop that is not Mom.
Now you're changing the rules. You never said that at the beginning.
Okay, I'm changing the rules then. You have to pick a sticker shop that's not owned by your mother-in-law.
Look, I don't know. Okay, is that the answer?
You have heard me talk about stickers for how long?
I've heard you talk about people that like sticker shops go in one ear and out the other. I'm never gonna buy them. I'm sorry. It's just true.
For Christmas, when he asked me what I wanted, and he said, "Don't you dare say stickers," because I have no idea.
I know I can go to Hobby Lobby and find some. Hobby Lobby's brand? I don't know.
There's brands.
This is a very underwhelming ending question.
I'm going to ask you another question then.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. I got to think of one then.
Oh, great.
So in the meantime, talk about the plans and what's going on the page.
This is a bad idea. This is a bad idea. She's putting down a half... Is that a half box?
Good job.
Is that a half box?
That is a half box.
Hey.
Good job.
I'm a little more impressed in myself now. And then...
Okay, your last question.
Thank you so much.
What are the different size boxes?
I don't know that.
In a kit, you literally just said one.
Yeah, okay, there's a half box. Mm-hmm. There's a full box.
Yes.
Yeah, because there would have to be. I don't know.
Just one more. Just pick another size.
There's a small box.
Yeah, I mean, I guess there are small frame boxes.
Yep. Okay, but I got it. There was only one, and I got it. That had to be the right answer.
Okay, I guess. Okay, last question.
This is the second to no.
One more question, because we still got more time.
Okay, what?
What is my favorite layering piece in sticker kits?
You know, the only thing I know is washi.
How do you only know washi?
And stick in like half box. I don't know. That's the easy stuff.
You can, but you've looked at my spreads and you see like all the pretty things.
I didn't know they had different names. They're all just stickers to me.
They're all just stickers.
I'm sorry. Like, I don't know what you're looking for.
You got florals, you got circles, you got like scallop boxes.
So you're telling me I should just say shapes?
Yes.
There's square boxes. There's rhombus boxes. There's
rhombus boxes. All right. Thank you guys for watching and listening. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things.
I'm Shane, and I don't.
We forgot to mention at the beginning that Shane is the one who picked out this gorgeous kit from Craftsbythaowie. He liked the colors in it. So, thank you, babe.
Yep.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Goodbye.